Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. Last month marked the anniversary of when I started selling on eBay 23 years ago. So I thought I'd share with you my absolute top 8 secrets for dropshipping on eBay. The secret I'm going to share with you in this week's video completely transformed my life. It not just 10x'd our sales, but I also use this secret for so many other parts of my life, as I'll show you. But before I get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that puts out weekly videos teaching step by step how anyone can build a 7-digit dropship business from their home using eBay and Amazon and using less than $100. For a lot of people, the thought of building a 7-digit dropship business is simply daunting. And for that reason, they either never get started or they give up as soon as they hit the first hurdle. And then they start trying to find a different style of business which does not have hurdles. However, after 30 years of being in business for myself, I can tell you now that every single business on the planet also has some hurdles. But here's the thing, hurdles are awesome, because on the other side of each hurdle, there's far less competition. In other words, the more hurdles that you learn to navigate through, the less competition there is on the other side. Every time you learn to navigate through a hurdle, you become more unique. And in life, we're paid by how unique we are. Every time you learn to navigate through a hurdle, you're more unique. I love hurdles because I know once I get through that hurdle, there's far less competition on the other side. So this week's secret is all about conquering that daunting feeling of building a 7-digit dropship business from scratch. This week's secret is baby steps. As I've mentioned many times in these secrets, building an eBay dropship business is like building a Lego set. Let's say you want to build this Lego Death Star. At first, it also looks really daunting. However, if you use 2 of these 8 secrets that I've been sharing with you, building this Death Star is so simple that literally a child can do it. Think about it. This Lego set comes with a step-by-step instruction manual, which breaks down the whole build into small, step-by-step, easy to achieve, little tiny baby steps. All that anyone has to do to build the Lego set is start at step 1 in the instruction manual, do that step, tick it off, and then move to step 2, one little baby step at a time. If you combine this, one baby step at a time strategy with doing just 5 minutes per day, using the 5-minute rule that I shared in last week's video, you'll 100% finish the Lego set. And if you do any more than 5 minutes in a day, that's a bonus. But if you do just 5 minutes each day, you can go to bed knowing that you've won. And that's so important to set up each day to win. By the way, if you missed the previous secrets, I'll put a link at the end of this video and below. Building a 7-digit eBay dropship business is exactly the same. All you need to do is start at step 1. Then do one baby step at a time and tick off each baby step as you go. In secret 1, I shared how powerful it is to follow a proven step-by-step formula for building an eBay dropship business. I wasn't saying that you have to follow my formula, whether you're following my formula or anyone else's. It just needs to be a proven formula, and preferably a proven formula with case studies from others who have followed the step-by-step formula and got the success that you want. The case studies prove that other people can follow the step-by-step instructions. In other words, the formula works for not just the creator of the formula, but it also works for others. Building an eBay dropship business is just like building a Lego set. Just start at step 1 and do your 5 minutes, and before you know it, you'll have your first sale. Then repeat, and you'll have your second sale, your third, fourth, and then your 1,000th, your 10,000th sale, etc. Stay tuned, and next week I'll share with you Secret 6 to building a 7-digit dropship business. If you missed Secrets 1, 2 or 3, I'll put a link on the screen and below. If you want more detail about how to build an automated eBay dropshipping business from scratch, I have a free online step-by-step workshop teaching how to build a 7-digit eBay dropship business using less than $100. I'll put a link on the screen and below. If you want more dropship supplies, I have a free list of over 900 dropship supplies. Again, I'll put a link on the screen and below. Please leave me a comment below and make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that puts out weekly videos teaching step-by-step how anyone can build a 7-digit online business from their home using eBay and Amazon and using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, live small, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.